In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho backup verification code. If you use multi-factor authentication on your Zoho account, backup verification codes are your safety net. They let you sign in when you can't access your primary second factor, like your authenticator app or text messages. I'll walk you through where to find them and how to generate a fresh set, and I'll share a few practical tips to keep them safe. Start by signing into your Zoho account in your browser. On the top right corner of the Zoho page, look for your profile icon. It might show your initials or a small avatar. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose My Account. This takes you to the Zoho Accounts dashboard, where all your security and sign-in settings live. Inside your account dashboard, locate the security section and select multi-factor authentication. This is where Zoho manages your second-step sign-in methods. Give the page a moment to load so all the options populate properly. Within multi-factor authentication, look for the area labeled MFA recovery options. This section is specifically designed for those just-in-case scenarios when your usual second factor isn't available. Open the MFA recovery options panel to see the tools Zoho provides for account recovery. Now, find and click Generate New Codes. Zoho will create a new batch of backup verification codes for you. When you do this, be aware that any previously issued backup codes will immediately become invalid, which is a good security measure. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm so the new codes can be issued. Once the new codes are generated, handle them like keys to your account. Copy them and store them somewhere secure and offline. A reputable password manager or a printed copy stored safely are both good options. Avoid saving them in email or unprotected notes. Each backup code is typically single use, so after you use one, cross it out or mark it as used to avoid confusion later. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon, open My Account, go to multi-factor authentication, open the MFA recovery options section, and generate new codes. Whenever you rotate these codes, remember to update wherever you've stored them so you're never relying on outdated backups. If something doesn't look right on the page, refresh the browser and ensure you're signed in to the correct Zoho account. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps whenever you need a fresh set of Zoho backup verification codes and keep them safe so you're always prepared to sign in securely.